Low-code tools for software development have accelerated the pace of innovation across different industries, and they're helping people in those industries achieve business goals. Today, we're talking with Juan Mendoza of Ocean Systems to learn how low-code is helping him in the fintech space. Juan, why don't you start by telling us a little bit about yourself and what you do?
My name is Juan Mendoza. I'm president of Ocean Systems, Inc. Ocean Systems has been around for almost 30 years now, and we're in the business of providing software solutions for financial institutions. We have banks in installations here in the U.S., Panama, the Caribbean, and some also in Europe. And we specialize in two areas, international payments and in the BSA compliance area. Most of our programmers have been around for more than 15 years. And they are focused on the business. They are less focused on technology and more focused on what the solution has to bring to the business and to the users. So they have, without any exception, each of them has taken ownership of their products.
And Juan, how does software development help your business goals?
Well, being a software solutions provider, the software team is the most important group we have. It's the one that's responsible for the quality of our product, and they are the main driver of what we provide. Our software team is a relatively small team. Most of our programmers have been around for more than 15 years. And they are focused on the business. They are less focused on technology and more focused on what the solution has to bring to the business and to the users. So they have, without any exception, each of them has taken ownership of their products. There's signatures on the product. They take pride in what they deliver, and with the knowledge that they have, they are the ones pretty much that come back and recommend to our marketing team the better way to approach a solution.
How does low-code and specifically GeneXus help you and your team achieve those goals?
The way that we have been able to, over the years, come up with new enhancements without having to worry or be concerned about the nuances of the technology. That's really what, with a very relatively small group of programmers, we have been able to bring about a very broad, from a functional point of view, platform, and been able to grow this software and keep up with regulatory requirements and market trends that are continuously evolving. With GeneXus, we have been able to bring also new technologies that we wouldn't have been ever able to bring in on our own, such as, for example, fuzzy logic searches for our sanctions screening products, and also artificial intelligence for our alert management products.
So it sounds like you're a bit faster and more innovative because of GeneXus.
Well, GeneXus is what allows us to concentrate on our business rather than on the nuances of the technology. With GeneXus, it's proven time and time again that they have been able to come up with new versions that uses the latest technology, and we have been able to very quickly and very easily been able to provide our solutions, our business rules on top of the technology platform that they provide. So with a very small or short, relatively small group of people, we have been able to keep up and stay ahead of the game thanks to GeneXus.
Finally, how do you think low-code and software development will change in the next 5 to 10 years?
So low code, as we have seen over the last few years, has become more prevalent, and it's going to continue to become so. There's more low code out there. There's more to select from, and it's always going to be easier to just go out and find um, objects that are available to you and use rather than have to build it. So the more there's out there, the more prevalent low code will become. And but there's still going to be always a place for both the regular classical program, or where you need to go and actually do the hard code yourself, is always important when in tasks such as interfacing to other platforms and certain specific tasks that are not available out there with low code.
Juan, thank you so much for your time today. And if you'd like to learn more about GeneXus, you can visit us online at genexus.com.